Today's video is regarding Brother computer. So this is HL-L2390DW model, and this is a printer where you can use it for print, copy and scan function. And it's a quite big box, and it's compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, also with the Mac, and we can use it with the mobiles and iPhone as well. Now I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup of this printer so that we can use it, and I'll also show you how to do the copy in the end. So let's start with the unboxing. So here we can see there are some leaflets here, and although the printer is not big in size, but the packing is really big. And here we have ink cartridge, which is a toner, as that's a big one. So just carefully we have to take the printer out from here. So you just lift it and it comes out. Now we have to switch on the printer. So as you can see, the power button is here, and you just press it once. And now we have to install the toner. As we can see, it says on the screen as well. So ink toner is here, and you just have to cut and open. Now the next step is to install the ink toner. So once you take it out of the package, just remove the seal, which is a plastic cover here, and to simply install it you have to see the Brother logo, which is upside. Keep it like this. Now open the ink door. So you just have to place your hands here and push this one out, and here we can see the door is here, and placing is very easy. You simply have to take the cartridge with the logo upside and place it here and just let it go, and once just make sure it's parallel to this, and now you just have to close the door, and you can see the progress on the screen here. And here we can see it's ready. Next step is to load the paper sheet. So you can load 250 pages at once. And the paper tray is at the bottom, so you just have to push it out. So to adjust the size, press this green button, and it will also, you have to move it according to the size of the page till the end, and place the pages, and now close this door. So this way we can do it. Now I'll show you a quick copy test. Open the top scanner lid and place the page here facing downwards on the left hand side corner, as like this. Close it and go to the display panel again, and here you see the copy option, so click it once, and if you want you can choose if you want to enlarge the size or reduce the size. And once you are ready, just click on the start button, which is on the right hand side, and just wait for the copy. So here we can see the copy is done. So let's see here. So So this way we can do the copy. Overall, I can say the printer is really good. It's a laser printer, so you can just print thousands of pages once you buy a new, and you don't have to replace ink quickly. The only thing is it can only copy in the black. It cannot copy in the color, but you can do the scanning, and it will do the scanning in the color as well. Thanks for watching.